Good morning, all of you. How are you? I think feeling well, staying at your home. Today, the eighth part of Maths ninth class. As told in previous lecture, so we have here in exercise 1.5. I think no problem. Yesterday, she told to you we will discuss question number 3 tomorrow in next lecture. So question number 3, I want to tell. Remaining, I think no problem. So this is saying like this: recall pi is defined. Pi is equal to c by d. It's meaning circumference by diameter of the same circle. So it's meaning according to this pi is rational. Because what is rational number? Rational number which we can write in the p by q form, and q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. But if we can check the decimal expansion of the pi, these are non-terminating, non-repeating and non-reoccurring. So what is pi? Pi is irrational actually. Understood? So if this type of question come in exam, you can define both definition of rational and irrational, and then you can say decimal expansion of pi is non-terminating, non-repeating, non-reoccurring, hence satisfying the definition of what? Irrational number. Understood? So I think remaining no problem in this exercise. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. I can tell. Next is what? Law of exponent for real number. Law of exponent for real number. For real numbers. Which numbers? Real numbers. Understood? So some rule and regulation given. Exponent meaning power of real number. I am telling some rule and regulation. So here we can say a power m. Here a is called base. A is called what? Base. And m is called what? Exponent or power of a. Understood? So some rule regulation I want to tell. A power m into a power n. If base is same, then we have to add power. A is equal to m plus n. A power m whole power n. So it's meaning a power mn. Third one, a power m, a power n is equal to a power m minus n. M is greater than n. If m is greater than n, fourth one, a power m, p power m is equal to, here power is same, base is not same, so this become ab power m. Yes or no? Yes sir. So you have to apply these. Formula where? In this exercise. Now come on exercise. We can solve one by one question. Like this first question, exercise 1.6. First part 64 power. What's power 64? 1 by 2. This we can write like this: 8 into 8 power 1 by 2. This we can write 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. This become 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel 2, it's meaning 8 power 1 by is equal to 8. Understood? First question, first part. Second part, (32 power 1 by 5). So this we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power how much? 1 by 5. It's meaning 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. This become 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel 5. 2 power 1 is what is 2. Understood? Third one you can solve. Question number 2. First part 1.6. It's given first part 9 power how much? 3 by 2. Yes or no? This we can write 3 into 3 whole power 3 by 2. This we can write 3 power 2 into 3 by power 2. This we can write like this: 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. Which formula? A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. 2 cancel 2. 3 power 3 is how much? 27. Understood? Similarly, last part I want to tell. Remaining I think you able to solve. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. 125 power 1 by 3. So what's its meaning? This you can write 1 by 125 power how much? 1 by 3. This we can write 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 whole power how much? 1 by 3. This we can write 1 over 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. This cancel this. This is equal to 1 by 5, or this you can write 5 power minus 1. So much easy portion of math, easily able to show. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. Third question. Which part? First part I want to tell. Which part I want to tell? First part 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. Look here. Here a equal to 2 base, and these 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 are what? Exponent. And 2 by 3 and 1 by 5 are exponent. So we know a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So here also this formula apply. So 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This is your rough work. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So what's your LCM? 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. This 13 by 15. 2 power 13 by 15 is your answer. Third question, second part, 1 by 3 power 3 whole power how much? 7. This how can you write? As you know, this you can write 3 power minus 3 whole power 7. So what's become 3 power minus 3 into 7? Y a power m whole power n is equal to amn. So this become 3 power minus 21, which is equal to 1 by 3 power 21. Understood? Third question, third part, exercise 6.1.6, sorry. 11 power 1 by 2, 11 power 1 by 4. So look, both base same, so you can write 11 power 1 by 2 into 11 power minus 1 by 4. So again apply that same base. So base right and multiply these, add these, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Because a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So what's this become? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 is your LCM, 2 to the 4. 1 by 4. 11 power 1 by 4 is your answer. Fourth, seven power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. So here base is not same, but exponent are same. So what you can do? You can multiply these both. 56 power 1 by 2 by which formula? You can say a power n and a power what? B power n. So what's become this? This is equal to ab whole power n. Understood? This is all about this exercise. We have done this complete chapter in 8 parts. So you can solve this exercise, example related to this exercise. Once again revise this. Next we will start chapter number 2. If anywhere problem related to this chapter, discuss with me anytime, anywhere. Thank you all of you.